Right now, you are moving at 828,000 kilometers per hour, without feeling anything. You are inside a giant cosmic weapon, a spiral of fire, gravity, and dark matter. This is not science fiction. This is the Milky Way Galaxy, and it's far more dangerous than we ever imagined. The Milky Way is not just a beautiful band of light in the sky. It is a 100,000 light-year-wide cosmic city, containing over 100 billion stars and possibly trillions of planets. Our solar system is trapped inside one of its arms, orbiting the center once every 230 million years. One orbit is called a galactic year. Since the time of the dinosaurs, Earth has completed only about 20 of these galactic journeys. At the heart of the Milky Way, something is watching. A supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A star. It's 4 million times heavier than our Sun. If you fell into it, time itself would slow down for you, and you'd watch the rest of the galaxy age in a flash. And in 2022, for the first time, humanity actually saw it. That blurry, glowing ring of light? That's real. That's the monster at our galaxy's core. But the galaxy is alive. Stars are not eternal. Every second, the Milky Way creates new stars from massive clouds of gas and dust, and destroys others in violent supernova explosions. These cataclysmic blasts forge the heavy elements. They create the gold in our jewelry, the iron in our blood, and every atom in your body. You are not just living in the galaxy. You are made of it. But what holds this entire structure together cannot be seen. Dark matter makes up 85% of the galaxy's mass. Without its immense gravitational pull, the Milky Way would tear itself apart, flinging stars like ours into the empty void. It does not emit light. It does not reflect light, yet its gravity controls everything. Something invisible is controlling our cosmic fate. And the danger is not over. Our galaxy is on a collision course. The Andromeda Galaxy is hurtling towards us at 400,000 kilometers per hour. The impact is set for about 4 billion years from now. The stars themselves will likely not collide. The distances are too vast. But the sheer force of gravity will rewrite everything, merging two massive galaxies into one. A new, larger galaxy will be born from the chaos. With billions of stars and countless Earth-like planets, the Milky Way should be teeming with life. It should be a cosmic metropolis, loud with signals and activity, yet we hear nothing. Only silence. This is the Fermi paradox. Are we the first advanced civilization to arise? Are we being intentionally ignored? Or perhaps are we being watched silently by something far older than us? Milky Way is not just our home. It is a living, evolving, dangerous cosmic machine. And the most terrifying question is, what happens when it decides to change? Follow for more cosmic truths.